In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to save your money in dollars so as to safeguard your money from high inflation and increase your purchasing power. The first thing you want to do is to go to your app store, either your Play Store or your Apple's app store. So you just search for an app that is called Trust Wallet. Trust as in when you trust somebody. So you just search for Trust Wallet and then it will pop it up. Now I already have Trust Wallet installed on my phone, so it just brings it up for me, and then I'm just going to open it directly. First thing you see when you open it, you'll be greeted by the Trust Wallet icon. This is already set, so I'm going to teach you how you are going to set your own from scratch. So basically what you want to do is that you have to open a new wallet address. Do you understand that? And to do that, the wallet is going to automatically pop up where either you want to create a new wallet or you want to add an existing wallet. So since you are starting all over, just click on create new wallet. Once you click on create new wallet, select on the first option, which is secret phrase. So once you click on create, it's going to give you a 12 key phrase which you can easily back up. Now you have to choose how you want to back it up. My advice is back it up manually because it helps for you to easily recover your wallet address and your money in case your phone is stolen or missing. So you click on backup manually and then you mark all of these and then you click on continue. So they are going to show you a 12 key phrase. Write this down 1, 2, 3, 4 accordingly. Write it to the 12th one. Then it will tell you you have to select continue. Then you now have to check what you've written down and select exactly what you saw. Do you understand? What you saw in each numbers, the word 10, the 10th word, you put it there and then you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, your wallet address has been set already. So now if you now want to get USDT, meaning you now want to save in dollars, what you want to do is to come to this search bar in the home, come to this search bar and search for USDT. So basically you click on the first, or you can click on the first option or the second option. The difference is that they are of different network. So you click on the first one, which is USDT TRC20, you click on receive and then you copy this address. Once you copy this address, you want to be sending this to a crypto vendor, someone who buys or sell USDT. These people are easy to get. You can do it person to person. Do you understand? There's no intermediary. You just negotiate the rates and then you tell them the amount of US dollar you want to buy or the Naira equivalent you want to buy. And if you can't find a trustworthy crypto vendor, send me a DM right now and then I'm going to guide you on how to go about it. Make sure that you don't get scammed because there are some people that are out there to scam you because they know a lot of people wants to buy USDT and the government doesn't even have control on this kind of US dollar because it's not in a bank account. Do you understand? In the bank account they can have control. They can say they want to convert it to Naira for you or they want to remove charges or all of that. There's nothing like that here. So once you get that the person sends in USDT to you after you've sent them the money, then let's say it's 50 USDT you bought, you're going to see 50 USDT right here. And now even if you feel okay it's time for you to sell your US dollar, then you can click on send, find another crypto vendor that actually buys USDT, then you get their wallet address, paste it here, put the amounts you want to sell and then put it there. So once that is done, you now have control over USDT and you can easily save in dollars with crypto. I hope you understand this video. If you have any other further question, make sure you drop it in the comments. Like this video and I'll see you in the next one.